What did you do? Unsa'y gibuhat nimo? Unsa'y gibuhat nimo?
Let's break it down. What is unsa? In this case, there is a apostrophe y, which means this is a contracted y. The contracted y means ang. This is supposed to be unsa ang. But we Cebuanos like to shortcut words because it is more efficient. That's why we say unsay. Unsay is not always applicable, only when the sentence is unsa ang. Did gibuhat. The root word buhat means act or human activity. Did gibuhat. This is in past tense. You is nimo. Nimo. Repeat after me. Unsay gibuhat. Nimo. Unsay gibuhat nimo? Unsay gibuhat nimo? Now it's your turn to practice. That's all for today. Thank you so much. This is your Maestra, Judy. Don't forget to visit me at www.cebuano101.com. If you want to access the rest of the lessons, you may go to my site and subscribe to my members access plan. I'll see you again next Friday. Bye for now.